Hello students, this video is about clarifying Mod 9. This is a chart assignment. You're going to use Drawio per the directions that are attached within the course shell. Basically, the idea of this is for you to create a space where you can teach in any content area that is your ideal design. So if you do not have a classroom, I want you to think about where you want to teach, what you want to teach, and how you want to teach it. And then I want you to make sure and add in all of the technology. And how you're going to add it in is on your Drawio. Now, in order to get full points for this assignment, obviously you're going to submit your Drawio, save it to the Google community. You are going to also have to reference your seating arrangement. We have included some for you, but if you want to look on the web, I know flexible seating is something that some teachers have talked about. If you have research concerning that, you're more than welcome to put that in, but there has to be some sort of research about your design. Then you also need to add those standards, make sure that that's in the written portion, and be creative. And then also, if you have a classroom, that's cool and that's great. Add those pictures in of what it currently looks like, and I want you to get in your mind an idea of what it possibly could look like. And then also, if you don't have a classroom, do not freak out about that. You won't have pictures to add in, but the pictures just make the final project that much better. So this is worth 50 points. And again, if you have any questions concerning this assignment, please let me know.